this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and just here now with another drawing video with a character that I'm sure needs no introduction at all. That's Carol Danvers as Captain Marvel, and I'm pretty sure you have knowledge of this character, whether it be from the comic books or more than likely the recent movies Captain Marvel on her own, whether it's Avengers, Infinity War or Endgame. So this is just a standard pose of her showing off her powers on here. You'll notice that again, as normal, we start off with the penciling and then we continue with the inking, and you'll notice in the picture that there are certain parts of the energy waves that she's transmitting from her arms that I've actually not inked, I've left in pencil, because when I colour them I use a lot more of the colours involved and I don't want the kind of inks to get involved when I'm showing off the energy waves or the energy beams that have been transmitted for her arm. So it may look a bit weird when you watch the drawing of the picture, but that's the reason why you kind of see the blank images emitting from her arm. So that was just a quick explanation on here. But yep, this is just a standard drawing of Captain Marvel here, so I hope you enjoy it, and again let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to see me draw any other characters, just drop me an email or log on to my Facebook or my Instagram or my Twitter. All of the links will be in the description below. So yeah, enjoy the Captain Marvel drawing on here, and please like and subscribe and help me grow this channel, and take care of yourselves for now, and I will see you very, very soon.